what's going on, guys? So I'm here at MQB Rolling Road Day in, I think we're in Manchester, Stockport or somewhere like that. It's a hell of a road trip. But yeah, so we've got loads of vag slags up here. And so yeah, we'll get it on. I'm gonna show you what's going on the rollers and how much power people are making, how much power people think they're gonna make. Yeah, they're everywhere. Peace, man, see you on the other side. Dan's car. What are you expected to make out of it, Dan?
Not much. It's got a tuning box on it, but it's supposed to be 350, but it'll probably be about 320, I reckon.
So anything above 320 you'll be happy with?
Anything above 320.
Anything below?
Anything below, I'm going to take it back and get the money back.
Well, there's some hankies over there anyway, so you'll be alright, mate. Anything below 200,
yeah. Stood there with my head down. Might surprise me, you never know.
That you can't even really use any clutch control, it's literally
It's your one, isn't it, mate? What was your name again?
Darren.
Darren. What are you hoping for then, Darren?
400 hopefully.
400, yeah?
400 and something, 400. It runs 390, it runs 390, but it ran 390 without the intercooler, so...
Right, okay.
Hopefully it'll run 400 with it.
Is that a full turbo back system you got on there?
Yeah. Custom built.
So we've got Dale?
Yeah.
We've got Dale's Club Sport on there now. So what are you hoping to get out of it, Dale? What are you going to be happy with?
To be fair, I have absolutely no idea. It's got a DT UK tuning box, pipe cross, air intake and a panel filter, resonator delete only. I reckon 320, 330 at a push. But to be fair, I'm happy with the way it is. It's fun, so we'll leave it at that.
Yeah, okay. Be interesting to see what you get out of it then.
Yeah, definitely it's more of a curiosity thing than anything
Yeah.
else.
What are you hoping to get?
It's just stock, to be honest with you.
Stock, yeah? So you should be getting around 3.5, 3.10.
Yeah, I've got cab back and intake done.
Okay,
Just hoping, just get benchmark ready for when I'm up it.
nice. How long you had it?
A year.
A year, yeah?
Yeah.
You going for 320, yeah? Alright, I have to put a bet in there. I'll go for 310.
310. That's
310, yeah.
We did.
As you can see that, 402 foot-pound of torque. Yeah, so that's it, guys. MQB, was it MQB day?
Yeah.
MQB Rolling Road Day. Yeah, man, it's been all right. Nice little selection of cars around. It was nice to go out in the V6 Clio. So yeah, man, and I got to say thank you to all those guys who come up to me and said hello, and I recognise you from this, blah blah blah. So yeah, it was nice, man. But yeah, so respect to you all, and catch you all on the flip side. So until then, you lot travel safe and peace out.
Yeah, hey yo, I'm feeling blessed. Now sit back and observe days I used to ride bikes, pegs in the curve, swerve through traffic, headphones on with Stillmatic. I'm lyrically inclined, push balls like I'm lifting weights, smoking trees, X, moving at a